Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time of day it is for you. Welcome to our daily meditation. All right, so go ahead and get yourself nice and comfortable. Remember, you can do this meditation lying down in a seat, on your couch, sitting like I am on the floor, cross-legged, back nice and straight, however you choose to lay. The most important thing is the position of your back, is knowing that there is something supporting your back to keep it nice and straight, so you can have a nice straight line of airflow coming through your nose, back down, back up, and then back out. All right, so go ahead and get settled in. Begin to shut down your eyes. Begin to take notice of any sounds that you may be hearing. And just start to let go of any thoughts or emotions that might still be lingering in the mind, lingering in the heart. Reminding yourself that meditation is a practice of observing the thoughts, the emotions, and learning to just sit with them, letting them be just what they are. Trying to not attach yourself to these things. They are things that happen to you. However, they do not have to be things that control you. You have the power to control what goes on in your mind, what goes on in your heart. Let's take our attention towards our breath. Just noticing it at first. And if you don't really notice anything, you can always place one hand over your heart and then bring one hand to the belly. This is just going to help you find a deeper connection to the breath, being able to feel your body gently moving as you inhale and exhale, maybe even feeling the heart beating. Let's start to take some cleansing breaths together. And today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to inhale for the count of 4. Then we're going to hold our breath for a count of 7. And then we're going to gently release the breath for a count of 8. I know this may sound a little foreign at first, but I promise you can do this. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Start to take a nice deep inhale. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding the breath at the top for 2, 4, 6, 7. Now gently releasing for 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice job. 2 more rounds. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, holding the breath at the top for 2, 4, 6, 7, and release for 2, 4, 6, 8. Last one, big inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath for 2, 4, 6, 7, and release for 2, 4, 6, 8. Return the breath back to its natural state. Just continue to observe it, noticing if the body feels any calmer. The mind feels a little more still. Know that throughout this practice, all you have to do is listen to the sound of my voice, allowing it to be your anchor for when the mind does trail off, which it may, and that is okay. Know that if it does, you just simply bring yourself back to the sound of my voice, or use your breath as an anchor, bringing yourself back to the gentle rise and fall of your chest and your belly. Trust the process of growth. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to work out issues, to work through things. It takes time to learn lessons. The more important the lesson, the longer the cycle to work it out and work it through. We may live in a technical age, but our souls aren't technical. They're still connected to nature. We grow and change as nature does. Learn her ways, study her seasons and cycles, and know those same seasons and cycles are in each of us. The process of change is like planting a seed and watching it grow and bloom into a flower. What are you trying to develop? A project? A change in yourself? Is there something new you're trying to do, trying to learn? Are you trying to adjust to a major life change? Is there an old habit you're struggling to let go of? A love relationship or friendship you're hoping to begin or attempting to end? Each stage of the process of growth and change is important. From those first moments when we see the idea or the change begins, to those long moments of nurturing and nourishing the idea. Each stage counts. Is there a change in your life that's begun? One that you've started to notice? Are you thinking about it a lot? Talking about it a lot, but not quite ready to take action? That stage is important too. You're nurturing and nourishing the seeds of change. It takes time for nature to change things into what they're becoming. It takes time for things to develop. Be patient with yourself and life. Trust the process of growth. Stay in this position for as long as you need. Lying here, just being, feeling your breath, feeling your heart. Continuing to practice your meditation practice. Continuing to learn and grow, giving yourself all the time that you need to do so. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And I'll see you back tomorrow. Have a good one.